Now we are going to discuss some important topic of chapter probability, right? Now we know that if we throw a dice thrown once, dice thrown once, how many results are possible? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? Now if question is asked that die is thrown once and probability of getting prime number, so we will discuss. I will write the question. If die is thrown once, find the probability of following event. Find the probability of following event, right? Now first I will write the question. First, getting prime number. Second, even number. Third, odd number. Fourth, multiple of 2, right? This will be extra question, and this is from theoretical approach, not in experimental approach, but we will discuss because this is the base of standard 10 probability. So now if die is thrown once, then how many results are possible? If die is thrown once, number of result will be, number of outcome we can say will be total 6, right? And these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? Now getting prime number. In this, that means our total number of trials will be equal to 6, right? Now here it is 6 result are there. How many prime number is there in this 6 result? 2, 3 and 5 are prime number. So what will be the answer? Event A, right? Getting prime number. Which number? Prime number, right? So P of A, we know that the formula, I am not going to write the formula. How many prime number is there? 3. Out of how many results? So 6. So answer will be 1 upon 2, right? Now another event, event B, right? Even number, getting which number? Even. Now out of these 6, how many even number is there? 2, 4 and 6 are even number, and 1, 3 and 5 are odd number. So answer will be P of B will be, I am not going to write the formula, total 3 result out of 6. So answer will be 1 by 2. Now what about event C? Getting odd number, right? How many odd number are there? We have already discussed that will be 1, 3 and 5. So total 3 number is there, 3 upon 6. So answer will be 1 upon 2. And fourth event, event D, getting multiple of 2. Multiple of 2 means table of 2, how many result will be there? 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are, sorry, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Only 3 results are possible. So P of D will be, I'm not going to write the formula, upon this, and this will be equal to 3 upon 6. So this will be equal to 1 by 2. Now, most and important question, most important. This question will be definitely in the paper, right? Now, what will be the question, you are wondering? Probability of getting 35 marks in 50 mark test. What? Probability of getting 35 marks in a 50 mark test, right? Now, this will be the very important question. How many total number of trial will be there, or how many total number of result are possible? Now, you can score 1 to 50 mark, right? So total, you think that will be total 50 result are possible. Then you are wrong. Total 51 result are possible. Because if it is 50 mark paper, then you can call 0, 1, 2, 3 up to dot dot. Total 51 types of mark you can score. So total number of trial will be, or total number of result possible are, this will be 51. I am not going to write the, okay, event A. Getting 35 mark in 50 mark paper or in 50 mark test, right? P of A. Now 30, if you write one paper one time, then what will be the probability of getting 35 mark? एक बार पेपर लिखोगे तो 35 मार्क एक ही बार आ सकते हैं, एक ही बार आ सकते हैं. That means this will be equal to 1 upon 51. If you have asked this will be 25 mark, then answer will be also same, 1 upon 51. But if it is paper is 30 mark paper, 30 mark paper, so I will write the question again. Probability of getting 25 mark in 30 mark test. What will be the answer? Now 30 mark test, that means how many results are possible? 31 results are possible. So P of A will be, but 25 एक बार पेपर लोगों 25 कितने बार आएगा? एक ही बार आएगा. So answer will be 1 upon 31. If it is a 80 mark paper, then it will be 1 upon 81, whatever the mark is. But if it is 30 mark paper and you have asked probability of getting 31 mark in a 30 mark paper, what? Probability of getting probability of getting 30 mark, sorry, 31 mark in 30 mark test. What will be the answer? Right? So this will be P of A. How many results are possible? Total 31. लेकिन आप जानते हो 30 मार्क के पेपर में 31 मार्क आएंगे? That will be not possible. So this will be 0. और मतलब 30 मार्क के पेपर में 31 मार्क कैसे आएंगे? This will be impossible event. So answer will be P of A. Probability of this event will be 0. So you have to remember one thing. If it is 50 mark paper, then total number of trials will be 51. If it is 80 mark paper, then total number of trials will be 81. Right? This you have to remember. Right? This is very easy. Okay.